Hi everyone, welcome to Beautiful Within. I'm filming after a very long time because I was crazily busy, but now I have time, and I also have the Envy box for the month of August for a review. Beautiful flowery and umbrellas and lots of monsoon kind of a feel. Very nice box. So this time they have sent 4 products. I have liked most of these 4 products, like 3 of the 4 products I've loved. Used 2 of them, so I'll give you a mini review also of them. The first one being the Hedonista Clear Moisturizer. This is in the flavor glycerin and lavender vanilla. Now if you see, this is properly a clear moisturizer like this. If you can see this kind of a dewdrop, it's purely clear, not even gel like. This is quite watery kind of a consistency. A very good daily moisturizer, perfect lavender fragrance, and definitely it moisturizes my skin. If you have oily skin, it's going to well moisturize your skin, and perfect fragrance, like perfect day fragrance. So I like the first product. This is this is a 50 ml bottle for $525. Second thing is the O3 Plus Eye Circle Cream. This is the cream. This is a full size product, 385 for 15 grams. Now this cream I have used for the past 4-5 days. I've not seen any visible benefits in my in the reduction of my dark circles, but it has definitely softened the skin around my under eyes, and it gives a very soothing effect for my eye, which is something that I really require. So this is something I would really recommend to all of you to use. This is definitely a win-win product, because 4 days you can't expect that it'll go away, the dark circles, but definitely it soothes my eye a lot. This $385, as I already told you. The third product is O Morphe Lip Lightening Salve. This is the lip lightening lip balm. So this is a 10-gram product for $549. I will show you its consistency also. This is the kind of consistency that it has, a yellow kind of formula. Very buttery consistency, I would say. Now I have not used it like for a full week also, but definitely it's very softening on my lips, and it's a nice lip balm, no doubts in that. It has cocoa butter and sweet almond oil, which is why the consistency is pretty thick. And definitely if it has almond oil, it's going to help in lightening the lips also, just in case if you have discoloration. The fourth thing is a Stay Quirky nail polish. This is the nail polish that I've got. The price that they say is 250 to 300 ml. I don't know what that means. And this is 8 ml. So this is the kind of shade that it has. A very nude golden kind of a shade without any shimmer particles. The shade is Princely Flare, shade number 806. This is the shade. I already have a similar shade in Maybelline, so I guess I'll keep it aside. But definitely the formulation and everything is pretty good, and without shimmers, this is a very good daily wear nail polish also. Envy box retails for 850 rupees for a month. If you subscribe for a high duration, you get discounts. Their USP is sending products which are a little bit on the luxury side, not the basic drugstore kind of products. They mostly send luxury brands or semi-luxury brands, if that makes sense. This time Envy box I've really liked. At least 3 out of the 4 products I have loved. Nail polish, I wish they had sent some other shade which I did not have, but any which ways. So definitely go for the box if you have any budget left this month, but you can definitely go for the box, especially for the eye cream and the lavender clear moisturizer. Definitely a thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching Beautiful Within. Have a really nice day. Bye.